name's Doug Kern. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Boss Audio and Boss Audio Elite. Boss Elite has been around for 4 years. Boss itself around for over 30 years, almost 32 years. We're here today to feature our source units, and we are going to focus on the age of the floating heads. Even though it's not the only head units that we have a full line of head units, over 40 head units in the Boss Elite line, from single DIN, mechless, CD product, Bluetooth product, double DIN. But the biggest thing right now and growing is the floating heads, all with CarPlay and Android Auto featured on these units. Here in the Boss Audio sound test room, and we've put on our board here 4 of our units, a 7-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, and 10.1 inch, which is all delivering or will be delivering before the end of 2021. And in 2022, we're going to be adding an 11-inch and a 13-inch model to the series. So with that, I just want to share with you the growth of Boss Elite has been attributed to our excellent warranty. We give an extended 3-year warranty with the product. We stand behind it. The features are there. But the special thing about Boss Elite is we are an opening price point brand for that customer that comes in. Is limited on the amount of money he has to spend, but you can give him a good quality product with great features and excellent performance with the Boss Elite line, and back it up with the extended warranty that we offer. Other than that, we're going to go further into this, that you learn more about our products. Colin Ross is going to do an opening box on these units for you. Again, we're focusing on the floating heads. New look, modern, with the new cars all coming out with the iPad style or the tablet style. This has become very popular, and we think you're going to love it. So thank you for paying attention, and we'll be back and look forward to you trying our products. Thank you.
Hey, this is Colin from Boss Audio. Let's check out what's inside the box. Wiring harness, microphone for hands-free calling, mounting brackets, mounting hardware, radio removal and mounting tools, warranty card and manual, floating display, single DIN chassis. Installing the screen to the chassis couldn't be easier. Simply line up the display and plug it straight into the chassis. You will hear the 2 buttons click, and you'll know it is locked in place. Single DIN oversized floating display units available in 7 inches, 8 inches, 9 inches, and 10.1 inches. The display features a pivoting ball joint for tilting and turning. Adjust the height by pushing up and down on the display for optimal viewing. To remove the display, simply press the 2 buttons to release and pull out. The back side of the chassis features a 15-amp fuse, wiring harness for power, ground, speaker outputs, and camera power, RCA preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, RCA AV inputs for hooking up an external DVD or CD drive, and a radio antenna. The hardwire harness features front and rear camera inputs, external microphone, USB port for USB thumb drives to play audio, video, photos, and also charging, and a USB port for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keep in mind, in order to utilize Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you must be plugged into this USB.